Yo, someone EMP that thing.
missed.
Yeah,
I missed, man.
you missed, you
Wow.
fucking. Dude, that
Also
Banshee's
got an
no
armory.
joke.
Wait, they got an armory?
Dude, everyone's looking up, trying not to get destroyed by that damn. They got two Banshees.
Okay.
They got two Banshees.
I destroyed it.
Yeah,
I destroyed it. Let's
fire.
go.
Awesome. But there's another one. It's not as good as the first guys, that's for sure.
Oh,
Yeah,
oh, wait,
That's
I'm
fire.
gonna go around. I got him cooked. I got him too. Let's go.
Get him.
They got banshees all around Spire. Two banshees around Spire.
Two Banshees.
Banshees, I'm pulling out.
Okay.
Oh god. Guys,
What the
where
fuck is
he at?
this? Hey, what the fuck is this?
These Banshees are
Oh my
moving too
god.
fast.
Dude, I have a Sentinel
Yeah,
fucking
man.
airplane. What is this?
A sentinel what?
A fucking somebody come to our base. Somebody come to our base. You can have it. I don't give a
Do you
fuck.
have the Promethean thing?
I'm keeping it. I think I'm keeping it.
Base, where you at?
You do. You
I don't
do
know.
got a Promethean
I
crab.
don't know how I invert my controller, fight inversion on.
Okay, what do I have?
Yo, be careful. You
got
got a
number
Banshee
Scorpion.
coming to you.
Prometheans at the crossroads.
Yo, they have snipers, banshees, shit. They have several.
You got missiles. How do I use the missiles?
This is a really good run.
Holy shit! Oh my god, it's got like boost on it.
Prometheans warping in.
Alright, my son lit. Alright, big sizzle.
Oh my god.
It's Warden Eternal.
Yo,
War
we
internal,
have to
I'm
take
pulling
him out.
out.
We have to take him out.
Yeah,
This
he's
is
the game.
clutch.
He's the game.
Shoot
This is a
it.
clutch situation. Yo, is there
Yo,
a
I
Banshee?
see you, bud.
Yo, bro. I wanted to take that Banshee out so badly. There's somebody on top of our base, but I'm not worried about him right now.
The sniper.
Shit, I missed. What's that? Take him out! Take him out! Oh god.
This
I
shit
got
is
hit with
crazy.
like an EP. God damn
We're
it.
nearing victory.
We got this, dude. We're shooting them out with some giant shit.
Bang, he hit us with
I'ma
shit.
splatter that motherfucker. Oh! Splatter that motherfucker.
Let's go!
Let's go. Let's go. Fuck
Yo,
him.
yo, that was clutch, man. Good job.
Yo,
man.
everybody, go for kills for me. Don't care about anything else.
Oh, they got me.
What's
No!
happened?
Oh no, they really.
Behind you. Oh, damn.